Hi guys, it's Allie. Welcome back to my channel, and hi, thanks for coming if you're new here. Today we are doing a video of the Walmart beauty box. This is a beauty subscription box. It is actually technically free, but you pay $5 shipping, and this is a seasonal box, so you'll pay for your first one and you get that, and then it just goes based on seasons. And this is actually my first Walmart beauty box, and I believe it is full and sample size product. So let's get into it. And if you haven't checked out my earlier video, I did a get ready with me, so go check it out. Alright, so I just opened this box and the lid says, "Celebrate your beauty. Your beauty is a gift to the world." This is how it comes. Cute paper. And there's a "Celebrate your beauty, rate and review this winter's products at Walmart.com. Enter to win a $100 gift card." And I open it up, and all of the products come like that. Alright, so the first one that I'm really seeing in here is it's a full size, and it's Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White Invisible Solid Antiperspirant, which is always good to have a full size deodorant. I'm sure that's about probably $3. It's pretty big. The second thing that I'm seeing, which will be really great for me, is this Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. It's Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. Immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Easy to apply. I have really dry skin, and I have eczema. And during winter months, my skin gets even worse, so this will come in handy. And obviously, this is also a sample size, but it's a pretty good size anyway. The third thing I see, which is another one that'll be great for me, it's the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion Sheer Hydration. It's little tiny, but it'll be great for my skin anyway. The fourth product that I am seeing is a Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel, Refine and Clarify Gommage Type Peeling. And it is super gentle and a nutrient-infused exfoliator, mild enough for even delicate skin types. It says it has vitamin C and E, clarifying radiance, and brighten. And this is just, I think it's just a liquid. So this is what it is, and I'm sure that I could probably get 2 uses out of this, which is pretty cool. I always like stuff like that. The last thing I see besides some paper, I think, ooh, I like this, is I think it's a full size nail polish in P2 Volume Gloss Gel Look Polish, and the color is 440 Double Agent, and I feel like that's going to be very pretty on, and I think I will try that out soon. Let me see what these papers are. Ultimate Nail Perfection, under $5. We Heart Color, and that's just a paper about the nail polish. And then this is just a paper, for the Aquaphor, and it just tells about that. Well, these are all of my products in my winter Walmart beauty box. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my video, and comment if you like. I will write back to any comments I get. Thanks for watching.